Hello, friends. This is the Cozy Corner and Vignette collaboration. The host is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Our guest host is Lisa at Home with Lisa. Hosting with the Grace Life DIY is myself, Design with Emma, Pretty DIY, Sassu's Glam Style, Mabel's Tables, Z9 Designs, and Annalise Cupboards. Okay, here is my vignette. I decorated my entryway table for fall with candy corn. Yep, I did it kind of Halloween theme, but mostly candy corn. I started out with a wreath that I did candy corn and pumpkin candy corn, and a bow with candy corn, and a little bat. And I did my wreath. I even added little bows to my pumpkins. And I found this sign at Amazon. I thought it would be perfect for my wreath. I painted this cat for a collab with Indiana Jones, and I added a candy corn tie when I did it, and I thought it turned out really cute. It's supposed to be a door hanger, but it looks pretty sitting on my entryway table. I made these hats last year for a collab. I did this garland for Wreath Galore and the wreath. And these are pumpkins I had. I think I got them at home after Christmas. I think I picked this one up at Christmas. But I thought, wow, that's really pretty. I'll pick that up. And I also created this when I did the other one. And my table runner, I'll show you what my table runner. This is my table runner. It says Halloween, Happy Halloween on it. It says Happy Halloween and has this pumpkin. I think it was $3 at Temu. I liked it because I like the black and white stripe, because I'm a big fan of the black and white. But there is my, this is my vignette.